Namaste. We will now look into the steps of meditation. Number one, select a place and time for meditation. Make sure that you don't change the place and time too often. It's a discipline that needs to be cultivated in your body. Remember our school days when we used to go to school and sit in the classroom. The timing of the school was fixed and the place where we sat in the classroom was fixed. There was a reason why that discipline was cultivated, so that we brought order into our lives. Meditation is also bringing order into your lives. So first step is select place and time. Second step is select seat and direction. So you have two options of performing meditation. One is sitting on the chair and two is sitting on the floor in the simple cross-leg squatting position. Whatever is comfortable for you, take that position. The whole idea in meditation is to be comfortable both physically and mentally so that you are not disturbed. Always face the east or the north when you are doing meditation. I'm not going into the theory and the details because that will take time. Then, sit still. The posture for meditation, whether you are sitting on the floor or with a meditation seat under your buttocks, or whether you are sitting on a chair, the first thing you need to learn is how to sit still. That requires practice. Next step is to relax your body. How to relax the body? Take a few deep breaths, inhale and exhale, and mentally go through each part of your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes and make sure that every part is relaxed. In my next video, I will do the demo of meditation where you will see step by step how you prepare yourself for meditation and how you meditate. After relaxing the body, the next step is to watch your breath. So the best way to watch your breath is to focus on your nostrils and feel the air coming in and going out as you inhale and exhale. Make sure that the inhalation and exhalation are even, smooth, rhythmic, harmonious. It's not that you are inhaling very shallow and exhaling very deep or vice versa. After having established a rhythm in your breathing, the next step is to look upwards in your forehead with your eyes closed and watch your thoughts. All the thinking happens in the conscious mind, the thinking happens in the brain. So watch your thoughts. It's very difficult to control thoughts. On an average, a human being thinks about 50 to 60 thoughts per minute, which is roughly one thought per second. Huge amount of mental activity is going on unknown to us, and it is the toughest task in any meditation exercise, quietening this conscious mind. So this will take practice. You need to sit, observe your thoughts. How to get rid of the thoughts? Order them to go. Again, during the demo I will show you how. After your mind is struggling to quieten down, you can facilitate that process by chanting either Shanti or peace. So you are actually instructing your mind to become Shant or peaceful. And then the final step is to recite an affirmation if you have memorized it, or to chant some mantra if you know the mantra and if you know the meaning of the mantra. The meanings are very important. Many a times people chant mantras without knowing the meaning. Or you can simply stick to one word like Om or Shanti or any other word that you find comfortable chanting. So these are the steps in meditation. I will shift so that you can see the board and then I will stop the video. The next video will be the actual demo of meditation. Place and time, seat and direction, posture, sit still, relax the body, establish a rhythm in your breathing, empty your conscious mind, Chant peace to make the mind peaceful. Chant any of the following: a mantra or an affirmation or any word like Om or Shanti. I'll see you soon. Thank you.